Morning, it's a Monday. We're going to launch a new Kia. That's what we're at today. It's the Kia K4. And it's absolutely delightful to finally be able to launch something that isn't an SUV. So let's get better to find out more about the Kia K4. The launch of the Kia K4 in Ireland is their C segment. This is going to replace the Kia Ceed. So that name now will be gone from now on. Starting on 31,500, it's going to be what they call opposite unite in their design language. Interesting. I really like the look of it. I think it's a kind of a bigger, wider, longer car than the Ceed, and it's not an SUV, and crucially comes in 1 liter petrol or 1.6 liter. That's it, a hybrid and a mild hybrid, no electric, no plug in, none of that stuff. It's just going to be a straight up good car. The little 1 liter engine starts popping in. This is familiar Kia territory here. The gear stuff is new. Very nice. Oh, we have music, turn it off. And it knows when it comes. Good morning, drive safely, it says here. Drive safely. Temperature, physical controls here. Physical controls on the steering wheel. Really like that. That is very important. Absolutely delightful to see Kia showing us that we can go back to doing normal touch controls. I hate any of these kind of screen things or touch screens that they're stupid. Real controls, real everything, that's what we need. Good range of motion in the seat. So electric though, driver's seat. Manual movements on the steering wheel, and it has all the race and reach you want. There's it. This is a 1 liter automatic. 1 liter. So we pull away here, so it's like straight up, and this really needs to be like a 1 liter. And it wouldn't be something I'd go, wow, it's only 1 liter. Put that in there, and then I'm going to rut around. Oh, now this is very gentle. That's very nice over the signals there. As always, these speed warning things come on and start gnawing and dinging and making noise at you. And of course they're completely pointless because I'm going to find a way to turn it off in a minute. You have to. A little 1 liter engine, that's quite nice, yeah, that's quite nice. It's weird to hear a 3-cylinder 1 liter engine when we're so used now to total silence of electric or, larger petrol engines doing their thing. By the way, that's Marlin, that speed limit here is 20 kilometers an hour. I think I'm doing 21. Anyway, have a check on that. Oh, speeding out front a minute. So weird to hear an engine doing this trick. Wow, that's a whole new one. Right, 1 liter, this is mud. Nothing wrong with that engine. No, that is a nice little engine. Fishy little thing. Feels like it wants to encourage on a bit more. I like that, yeah. It's a really nice place to sit. I'm low to the ground because I'm in a sort of an estate saloon feel of the car. Rather than the SUV feel. It's a bit more practical. You will fit 5 people in this car. It is a 1 liter automatic. This is the kind of thing that people are looking for right now. I think Kia might be just hitting things on the head there precisely where the market is looking for a car. Mild hybrid, I don't know how much of mild stuff it actually does. I should have went that way. I'm going into Bray now, which is the stuff they're talking about here. Now, there's not much I don't like about this car. Tons of room. The seats are super comfy. Like, really. Oh, I can pull the headrest forward. Oh, oh, yes. Now we're talking my language. That is much more like it. Oh, yes. That's a nifty little 1 liter 50 engine. I quite like this. So Kia are really doing all the right things in the moment. I really think that the Kia EV5, EV4, you know, there's a 2 coming very soon. EV3 is already here. Now we have the P, which is petrol, I'm assuming. This little range is coming as well. And it has those battery-powered vans, which I really like to look at. Haven't had a chance to drive, but I will have a spin them very, very soon. This really does add something new to the Kia range. This is bigger than Scottish. There's a new one coming that's going to be smaller than Sportage. The range of cars that Kia is bringing out is actually kind of extraordinary. It's quite happy with that stuff. Really nice stuff. Really nice stuff. So I've had a good decent spin it now. I've been moving around here for quite some time in it. It is such a lovely car that it feels much bigger than it is. And that little 50 engine, this is a really job. I'm really content in this car. Really am. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, I'll see you on the far side. Shut up!